I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay, okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. This is Courageous K, and if you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click the notification. It's right there on the right, that bell thingy. Put it on all so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step crochet wig, and it's beginner friendly. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is the cap I'll be using to do the wig. It is already braided. It has 2 combs on both sides. I'll be using the Freetress 2x1 curl, and I'll be using the color OT27 and 27. I'll be sectioning the hair in 4 pieces. I'll begin crocheting from the back of the wig, and I'll be doing it 2 or 1 finger width apart because I don't want to have too much hair to the back of the wig. If at the end I need to go back and fill in more hair at the back, I'll do that rather than having too much hair. I'm using the color 27 at the back, and I'll be using the OT27 at the front of the wig.
Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about it. Stop worrying about it. Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Let it be, just let it be. 'Cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about things.
I am now using the color OT27, and I'm doing the crochet downwards towards the face. I'll be doing the crochet downwards until it meets with the back, and I'll be doing this because we want all the braids to be covered, so when your hair is finished you can't see none of the braids.
Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. let's go running in the rain. All the love we have is true. Don't you know that it's true?
This is the finished product, guys. Now can you see the braids? It is completely covered. All I need to do now is put the wig on, shape it, and trim the hair to my own liking.
Running in the rain, I'll be, let's go running in the rain. I'll be, girl, I love you. Oh, let's go running in the rain. I'll be running, I love you.
I'll be trimming and shaping the hair in a downwards motion, guys. I like my hair to be fluffy, so I won't be trimming as much, but if you're doing this, you have the option of shaping and trimming the hair as you please. You're doing it in your own liking.
Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thundering in the sky. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Got me singing, see a better day. Oh, come in, so get ready for the sun. Oh, yeah, girl, I promise it will come.
And this is my finished look, guys. What do you think of the hair? Would you wear this crochet hair? Would you make a crochet hair like this?
I will be around. Oh, let's go running in the rain. All the love we have is true. Don't you know that it's true? There is something special.
Remember, guys, if you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click the notification, that bell thingy on the right, put it on all, so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Love you all. Peace.
Running in the rain, I'll be, girl, I love you. Oh, let's go